Welcome back to another podcast episode of MakeMoneyBlueprint.com with your host, Billy. In this podcast, we try to help young and new entrepreneurs to spark that light bulb inside their head and kickstart their next business idea. So for this episode, we have searched long and wide and finally found how to make money with print-on-demand t-shirt and 8 best sites for you to start making money today. So ever have a witty t-shirt idea thing like, hey, I could totally make this money? Well, in my younger days, there are a few witty slang or comment or rapper's quote from Jay-Z, Lil Wayne, or Drake that I would love to wear on my t-shirt. I wish I knew this back then or go deep into print on demand. I have dabbled with this, but I just didn't have the consistency to go through. And plus back then, 8 years ago, there's not that much content like this around. So consider yourself lucky. So print on demand sites allow you to create your designs online and set up shops or get linked to share on social media and sell without ever owning inventory or management shipment. Whether you want to make a simple text t-shirts or put a beautiful hand-drawn design on water bottles or mugs, print on demand can help you bring your art to life. So what is the best part? Once you get the shop set up, it's basically passive income. If people find you and love your design, you can make and deliver sales while you sleep, no muss or fuss. There are numerous services out there offering print on demand, but at a quality cost. The ease to use varies, so we rounded up 8 top choices. Kickstart your new side hustle. So let's go into what exactly is print on demand for the new people. With print on demand, I can design and sell my t-shirt, mugs, bags, and without having to carry inventory, which is a headache. Once I create the products, I outsource the rest to e-commerce manufacturer. That company then print, package, and ship the order to the customer for me. For example, let's say I paid $13 for a t-shirt with my custom design on it. On my digital storefront, I list the same t-shirt for $25. When a customer buys this t-shirt, the order is sent to my printing partners who then print the t-shirt and ship to my customer. Since I sold it for $25, but I paid $13 to the supplier, I earned a total profit of $12. And you really don't have to be gifted with graphic to design art to make money with your side hustle. I have a video of how to make money with Canva. You can check out that Canva video after this to come up with designs. Inside Canva, there's definitely print-on-demand templates that you can use. So here are the 8 best print-on-demand websites to start sell your design. So if you have a catchy quote or a catchy, art design and you're looking for ways to share it to the world and gain some profit, the first website I look for is Print. Now, Printful is a service used for t-shirt. Printful give you a painless process that give you access to excellent video tutorial and good resources to help you get started. Printful offers over 280 product types from t-shirt to backpack and has over 15 printing facilities all around the world to shorten your shipping time. No matter where your customer lives, in our experience, the turnaround time to receive the products is from 2 to 7 days. However, expect fulfillment to take a slightly longer during the holiday. But one of my favorite things about Printful that sets apart from other printers is that they offer a great branding customization, both free and pay. For a complete seamless customer experience to Printful, your customer won't even know you aren't creating the product yourself. When connecting to Shopify or Etsy, you can leave the printing and shipping to Printful. And again, if you miss out on any of these stores, we'll have the blog for these stores in the description. You can use it as a keynote after this. Number 2, Printify. Well, Printify is another great print-on-demand provider with an even wider variety of items. And Printify offer over 600 product types. I personally love designing pencil cases, and they have about 67 print facilities around the world. In addition to use all the print-on-demand product options, Printify offer bento boxes, pet items, hooded blanket, comforter, ornaments, puzzle, and more. Quality from Printify is excellent, and the average fulfillment time is about the same as Printful. You also need to set up your own shop on Shopify, Etsy, and other platforms to make a sale. Number 3, Gelato. So you looking to grow a more global business? Well, Gelato is a European-based print-on-demand provider with over 100 product options and over 100 production facility over across 34 countries. With all those locations, fulfillment time is much faster. Shipping distance shorter, so your turnaround time to your customer will be much faster. Your customer will love you for it. But the downside of Gelato is its narrow product catalogs and production type. For example, Gelato can do embroidery or laser engraving. Also, the majority of its production facility are in Europe. So Gelato is great fit for European-based company that want to focus on more common items like t-shirts, sweatshirt, wall art, and mugs. So So we'll look at the number 4. My number 4 pick is T-Launch. T-Launch is a smaller print-on-demand provider with over 100 product options, including some very cool products like headphones, Bluetooth speaker, laser engraving, cutting board, and high-end backpack. T-Launch pricing is reasonable and allow for a good profit margin. From product testing, I found the print quality for t-shirt isn't as sharp as Printful or Printify, but the product still look nice. The downside to T-Launch is that they use third-party manufacturers for some of their products, which can lead to inconsistency in quality and longer fulfillment times, especially during the holidays. For international order, delivery time can be around 2 to 3 weeks. Many print-on-demand providers use T-Launch due to its good product pricing, especially for some of those high-end products. Just make sure you're clear with your customer about a potential extended timeline to receive the order. Number 5, Sublimator. Want to create products with an overall print, like an overall socks or overall PJs? Well, Sublimator is the place to go to. Sublimation is the process of transferring dye into a fabric using heat. It creates a vibrant all over print that actually becomes part of the fabric, making it longer last. While all the other print-on-demand provider lists in the post can do this sublimation process, but Sublimator specializes in the process, has a range of products available, and has an excellent product quality. This reminding me of an overall bathing ape hoodie for some reason. With Sublimator, you can make swimsuits, leggings, micro fleece, hoodies, kids sweatshirt, jersey, and more. The downside of Sublimator is that the products are all shipped from China, so while production time are usually quick, delivery time can be extended due to the shipping time. However, shipping is included in the Sublimator pricing, so neither you or your customer are surprised by the hefty shipping charge. Hooded blankets, dog apparel, and leggings with pockets tend to be the best-selling items of Sublimator. Number 6, we have Pillow Profit. When people think of print-on-demand, they usually think of t-shirt, right? But even though we're seeing some extensive product catalog with all these providers above, Pillow Profit takes things to the next level. Create custom shoes, from slipper to work boot, shower curtains, umbrella, car seat covers, or organizer, quilt, laundry basket, and many more. While I haven't personally used Pillow Profits, many print-on-demand creators love the quality and use them exclusively for specialty products like shoes and car seat covers. However, similar to Sublimator, these products are shipped straight from China, so fulfillment time to your customer will be extended. Shoe, for example, should be expected to arrive within 10 to 25 days. While that won't necessarily hurt the growth of your shop as long as you're clear about the fulfillment expectation from the beginning. Note that we have some reviews that customer support is not flexible and that a product needs to be given 60 days to arrive as a destination below. Pillow Profit will process as a refund. That said, custom Converse shoes with an overall design of your choice will be a great selling point. Number 7, Cafe Press. As one of the oldest sites, Cafe Press has been extended assortment of products available to host your design. They have options to print t-shirts, sweatshirts, mugs, posters, as you expect, but customer can also choose to print your creation or stuffed animal, messenger bags, calendar, and even clocks. One of the coolest features of Cafe Press is the fan portal. When you can design your own favorite movie, TV shows, and more, Cafe Press has negotiated with its copyright owner to use these characters so you don't have to worry about stepping in the wrong direction of the law. But there are specific guidelines for using each property, so make sure you read them carefully. Number 8, Zazzle. Zazzle is probably one of the most popular print-on-demand sites on the internet. Upload your design, set your royalty rates, and then earn referral on any purchase. Payment straightforward with no listing monthly or annual fees. Your profit is whichever royalty rate you set. You won't get your own shop from Zazzle. Instead, your design will be listing within the main site, but you can still share your design on social media and have your network to drive sales. Zazzle is well known for quality products in a wide range of them. Design t-shirt, shoes, legging, wallet, imitation mugs, office supply, bib, and so much more. So above, we have listed 8 best websites to start your print-on-demand business. And thank you again for following me until the very end. This is Billy from MakeMoneyBlueprints.com, where we help future entrepreneur to kickstart the next business idea. If you are new here, make sure you follow us by clicking the subscribe button and hit the bell notification for the next tips of how to make money and its blueprint. It's been fun. This is Billy signing out, and hopefully I'll see you on the next video.